Fresh filters, obsessively engineered to provide you with clean water. Use this installation video along with your replacement manual to change your A.O. Smith Clarium filters. Replacing your filters is easy. Read your replacement manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. Grab a towel to catch any water that may come from your system during the replacement process. First, turn off the cold water valve under the sink and release the pressure from the system by turning on the dedicated faucet. Remove each cartridge sump from the filtration system. Place the cartridges over a sink. Twist the caps off the sumps and pull the filters out of the sumps. You can pour the excess water down the drain. Insert and connect the new filters to the top half of the sumps. Reattach the bottom of the sump to the top half by turning to the right and tightening. Reattach Stage 1 sump on the left and Stage 2 on the right. Now, open your battery door and remove your old battery. Place in a new battery. Slowly turn on the cold water valve and confirm that the dedicated faucet is closed. Inspect your system for leaks. Finally, turn on your dedicated faucet and allow filtered water to flush through the system for 10 minutes before drinking. Just like that, you're done. Time to enjoy clean, filtered water.